sorry.
No, you're good, you're good. Okay, we are in a big box store. You can see it's plugged up. This is the pop machine. Now, we know it actually goes through the wall. Oh, go ahead. Sorry, bro. Comes through the wall and then to here and then drops in the mop sink. So we're actually going to snake it backwards. Alright, can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you pour a bucket of water down there? Perfect. So, if you guys want to stop that happening, what's happening is it's slime buildup, right? I'm gonna sneeze, sorry. Take a bucket of hot water. If you can get boiling hot water, even better. Dump it down there. If you guys can do that every night, it'll stop all that slime buildup because it just builds up in the trap, and then it's got to be snaked out. And other than that, you're good to go. All right. Well, look at the stuff that came out, right? So.
Because last night when I was cleaning it, I took out some French fries from there.
Really, eh?
A lot of I think they brought some fries or something.
People, see, that's the problem. People don't care. All right, look at that. That's gross. Gotta love the slime.